Hey guys, this is a license plate holder for a Audi A4 allroad B8. The part number is there. So I crossed a river, little stream, and the license plates only hold on by the top two screws, and it totally ripped the license plate out and damaged the holder. You see it? It's pretty big. So I got these plates here. From roller blinds. These goes at the end of the roller blinds. I was gonna throw these away, but I'm using it now. You might find something like a thick piece of Lexan or plexiglass, something like that. So I'm gonna try to I made all these little cutouts, just put on a drill, you know, brad bits. They got the stud from on the roller blind. It got a stud that gets clipped onto, so I also drilled holes for it to get recess. It should be pretty good. Hopefully it works. I got some of these plastic wall epoxy. You could try farming epoxy. I'm gonna get some sandpaper, rough this up, and see how it's gonna turn out.